Hi everyone, this is going to be a quick instructional video outlining the steps required to convert your written math exams to a PDF format so that they can be uploaded to Moodle for marking. These instructions are suitable for all online foundation studies mathematics exams, including the non-assessable tests and formal exams, which consist of term exams and challenge week exams. Firstly, you will need to have a PDF scanner installed on your phone. At Foundation, we recommend the use of Microsoft Lens. So you'll need to download Microsoft Lens on your Apple, Android, or other device. To do that, we need to go to the App Store on Apple or iOS devices and the Play Store on Google Android devices. So opening up the App Store, I would like to search for Microsoft Lens. So in the search bar, type in Microsoft Lens, press done. Now this is the app we want to download. So here it is. We'll click on this cloud icon or get if you haven't gotten the app before. So click on this one. It'll be very similar on Android devices. Just click on this button and give it a minute. It will download that one. Once you have it downloaded, okay, it's going to appear on your drawer where all your apps are, and you are now ready to start taking photos of your written work and converting it to a PDF. So let's open Microsoft Lens. So now once we open Microsoft Lens, we have to go through the introductory stuff. Just going to skip through all this. We want to allow it to have access to our pictures so we can take photographs of our exam. Now we don't need to send data to them, so we can untick that one. Now press allow access. Now it says it would like to access our camera, so we'll press OK, and we can allow it to have access to all our photos. So now, once you've completed your exam, you will see you have several pages. Now this is an example of a mathematics, Essentials of Mathematics term exam. Okay. Now in these exams there are 3 sections: section A, section B, and section C. Okay, now of course your work is going to have working out and solutions, and you might have done several pages for each section. Okay, for science and commerce exams, you don't have sections, you have questions. Okay, so here's an example of these here. Okay, so you can see clearly labeled question 1, part I, part 2, sorry, part 1, part 2, part 3, etc. Okay, so you might have several questions. Now what you want to do is take photographs of this. Now for example, with my Essentials of Maths course, I have used 2 pages for section A. And I want to combine both of these sections into one PDF file to upload. Okay, so for the Essentials of Mathematics course, you will need to have 3 PDF files. 1 for section A, 1 for section B, and 1 for section C. For science and commerce exams, you want to have 1 PDF for each question you complete. So you can see here, if I had 3 questions in this test, I would have 3 PDF files. See, 1 for question 1, 1 for question 2, etc. Okay. Now, once I'm happy with the work I've done, okay, you can see an example of it here, then we're going to have to take a photograph of this. So we'll line it up using Microsoft Lens, okay, and I'll press this camera button. It's going to take a photo of the page. Okay, now if you don't, for example, if you haven't got all the writing, you can change this to include everything you've written on. See, I want the entire page, I'll drag it down. And I'm happy with that, so I press confirm. Now, because I have 2 pages, I'm not going to press done yet. Okay, I want both pages to be on my PDF. So next step I'm going to do is press add. And when I press add, I can see, well, I will still have this page, and I'm going to move this page off and take a picture of my second page. So I'm going to line that up take a photo of that by pressing this circle icon here. And it takes a photo of that page. Now, if I want, I can adjust this, but it looks like I've got the entire page on, so I press confirm. Okay, so now I've got the pictures of both pages I want, and I want to convert this to a PDF. So now I'm not going to take another picture. I'm going to press this orange button with the arrow and the number 2, so this one right here. Okay, I'm going to click on this button, and that's going to convert to a PDF. Okay, so these are the 2 pages. I'll have a look at them one more time to make sure I'm happy with this, and I'm going to press done. Now, it's going to give me options to change the title and save as a PDF. So first thing I want to do is change this title. So I want to get rid of this. I want to label it Section A because it's Section A of my Math E exam. So I'm going to label it Section A. I might want to put down my my name as well. So I'm going to put brackets and just put my name down. And I want to save it as a PDF. Okay, so it's very important that you save it as a PDF because when you're uploading it to Moodle, the format it accepts are PDF files. So you need to make sure that you click on PDF files. If you by mistake click on another button, you can always redo this process. But let's click on PDF, so this button here, and we want to save it to phone storage. Okay, so now it's saved onto my phone storage, and now I want to export this file to my computer so I can upload it to Moodle. So when you click on this file here, just touch the file, the picture, you will see it comes up with an option on the top right to share. Okay, this is going to be the same as on Android. So the instructions will be the same. Okay, and you want to share this one to your desktop. So you can do that in 2 ways. If you have a MacBook or iOS device, you can use AirDrop. Otherwise, send it to your email and drag it onto your desktop. And then I'm going to show you how to upload it to Moodle. So we click on this top right, and you can see the mail icon. Select the mail icon and send it to your email. So whatever your email is, send it there, and then you can download it onto your PC. Once you have downloaded your PDF file onto your computer, you can now upload it to Moodle. So when you're doing your exam, either a non-accessible or a formal exam, you're going to have a Moodle page like this where you have labels for Section A, Section B, Section C if you're doing the Essentials of Mathematics course, or Question 1, Question 2, Question 3, Question 4, etc. for the Mathematics Science or Mathematics Commerce courses. Now once we click this one, Section A, for example, the one I've uploaded, the one that I have downloaded recently from my email, I would like to upload it to this section here. So I'll close this academic honesty advert, and we click add submission. Please read through these disclaimers very carefully to ensure that you have not cheated during your exam. So I click on that tick for individual assignments, and here is where I want to drag my file. So once I've downloaded my file onto my desktop, I can just drag and drop it onto that area here. So there's my file, Section A, for my exam. I just drag it on, let it upload, and save changes. Once you have done that, you have successfully uploaded your written exam onto Moodle. You'll now need to do that for the other 2 sections if you're in the commerce course. If you're in the Essentials of Maths course. For commerce and science students, you'll need to upload all your other questions in a similar manner. So that's all for uploading your files onto Moodle. If you have any other questions, please speak to your tutor or lecturer of the course. Thank you, and I'll see you all next time.